Hey guys, how's it going? How to check saved sounds on Instagram. So open the Instagram app on your device, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay, tap the three horizontal line or the hamburger menu at the top right, and then just tap on the activity or basically the saved, and basically you're gonna be able to see look for an audio section right here to see all sounds that you saved. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.